guys, good morning. This is Hudson Lighting and I'm Chris Hudson, and this morning I'm going to be showing you something a little bit special. So I'm in the van, I'm ready to go, and yeah, you'll see when we get there. So guys, this is potentially our next new space. They're refurbishing it, so I'll show you some pictures now just of the other unit. This could be now our next new, so we could have our office space, tea, etc. There's 2 toilets in here, so just say they're completely refurbishing it. We'll be able to get more machinery in. We'll obviously be able to do our design studio, videography, etc. I love that it's front and back windows. Yeah, there's lots of potential here. So obviously that's the staircase there. Here's the toilets, or one of the toilets. I've showed you the one downstairs. So there's 2 toilets, which is quite useful. Definitely makes a difference. I should imagine they're going to put the kitchen space in there. We got parking outside the front, effectively 2 spaces, plus another guest space elsewhere. So there's a lot of potential here. We could do quite a lot with it. It should give us some space to go for a few years.